Hello friends! Today we are going to make a very easy but beautiful wire earring. Let's see what we need. A bead, pearl or stone. Our main tools, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers and flush cutter, and also 20 and 18 gauge wire. First, pick up 18 gauge wire and make it straight, and as we use that soft wire, it's easy to do that with pulling it. And with your round nose pliers, make a little loop at one side, just like that. It's like a P shape. And then, just like when you are making an earring hook, make it curved with your other hand and make a very little teardrop shape. And now put your bead or stone between and check if the size is okay and embraces that bead. You could squeeze it a little if it's big, and then from the other side make it rounded to shape a little circle. And again, put the bead to be fit inside that circle. And then round it and wrap the wire all around that bead, another round, just like this. And then cut it out in about half of a centimeters to make another loop at the end. So I'm going to cut it somewhere like this with flush cutter, and I would make another loop at the end of this wire strand. So pick up your round nose pliers and make it rounded just like the first one, just at the other direction. Again, I insert the bead in, and as you could see, it falls from one side and not on the other side. So I need to fasten it up from that part. So just squeeze the wire to be put exactly all around the bead, and also to bend the loop and the wire that goes behind to be placed on the top of the bead. And I'm going to squeeze it with the chain nose pliers, but be careful so that the chain nose pliers doesn't touch the bead or stone. At the end, make those two loops that are all around the bead a little separated, and if it's needed, make them more squeezed with chain nose pliers, just slowly and in a circular shape, just like this. And that would be the main structure, and it's already so easy and fast. Even if you are going to sell them in a big amount, it's a good choice, I think. And this is the other one I had made before this tutorial for a pair of earring. And what it misses is the earring hook. So pick up the thinner wire and make a loop at one side, then make it rounded with your other hand, just like we had at the beginning. But if you are using the dead soft wire, maybe it's better to use a pen or pencil to shape it better and to make a perfect circular shape. Then somewhere in front of that little loop, we need to make a bend with chain nose pliers or round nose pliers. It doesn't matter. And then in a space of about half of a centimeters, cut it out with your flush cutter and then make two of them Then open the loop and insert the decorative part into that, and then close it back, just like this. And repeat that for the other one to have a very beautiful pair of earrings. Now let's check it out and try it on the ear that I have, and this is how it looks when it's put on. And in different view of points, it would be something like this and this. If you are a fan of minimal wire jewelries, I highly recommend you to make one and enjoy it so much. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.